Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how a prospective candidate can come and apply for a job post. So first you need to share a link of your online recruitment at your social media handles or WhatsApp or any other way you are going to advertise for that particular job. So that link will be your school's name .prisms.in/online recruitment. I repeat, the link for online recruitment will be your school's name .prisms.in/online recruitment. So once that link is open, a recruitment form like this will be open for the prospective candidate to fill. Now this link can be shared by your school at all your social media handles or any other advertisement where you're going to put in the job ad. So they will be able to select the post they want to apply for. Then the description of the post will show up, what is the description required, and they can fill in the necessary details like their name, their mobile number, their email address, so other address, city, state, and we can decide which fields we want as mandatory, which fields we don't want as mandatory. And they'll be also able to directly take a picture from webcam, or they can upload a picture as well. We can select the picture, the part of the picture we want, and they'll be able to upload that part. Similarly, they can directly take a click a picture with the webcam as well. So they'll fill all the mandatory details, the education qualifications, the marital status, all the required ones, work experience, and they'll be able to upload the resume as well. Okay, so I can click here. In case I want to confirm the whether the uploaded resume is correct, I can click here and download and reconfirm or check whether I've uploaded the correct CV. Once I've confirmed all the details that I have filled, I can click on submit. So in this way, any prospective person who wants to apply for a job, they'll be able to come click on the link, directly fill the online application forms and upload their CV and submit it. So this is how a prospective candidate can apply for a job post at your school. Thank you.